The 30-Year War was one of the most fierce, most brutal religious battles in European history. In 1645, the Swedish army laid siege on Brno. After brutal fighting that continued for months, the Swedish leader set himself a limit. If Brno had still not fallen, by August the 15th at noon, the Swedish would retreat for good. Spies within the Swedish army passed this information back to the armies in Brno. The bells rang 1 hour early and the Swedish went home. Now I'm here hoping to get right next to those bells that are going to ring out at 11 AM rather than noon. I seem to remember you have to walk up a lot of stairs before you actually get to the pay booth. So I hope it is open. Hello. And I think I've timed it pretty good because it's about 10 to 11 now. And I'm going to go right to the top first, take a look at some of the views over the city. So, pretty high up right now. The views out of the city, the views over the old town are at the other side. See the big old bell there? Huge thing. Last time I was here it caught me by surprise. I was walking down and it started ringing, it had the pants up. There's actually 4 more bells here that I can see anyway. There's these 2 here and then there's 2 above. Now that's the view I wanted. Right over Brno Old Town. Three minutes. I'm actually getting scared because it's now 59 minutes past 10. And any minute now these things are going to make an almighty ring. That's what I want. Count of that one. So basically we had 1 bell at the other side and then the 11 big booming bells from this bugger up here. What the size of that thing. And then these started and it's just not stopped. It'll be, there we go. I don't know what they are for. I knew about the 11 rings. I didn't know about the 373 rings that came after it. Anyway, I'm happy now because I got to stand right under the famous Brno bell when it rang out 11 times over the city. And now I'm deaf, so it smells like gingerbread in here. Well, that was really cool. It was exciting. I can't believe I was actually scared. They are bloody loud though when you stood right underneath them. Right, I suppose we should take a look inside really, shouldn't we?
Yes.